S&W Service and Repair. This is LP. Man, I can complain right now, but it wouldn't be wise because I've asked for this. I asked for the calls. I asked for the new markets. And I just want to tell you, man, make sure you got your house in order. Make sure you got your spreadsheets in order. I have so many calls, I don't even know where all these parts go, man. It's just crazy. I have, I think about 28 open calls right now. And I don't have enough time in the day. I'm going 7 days a week, just trying to get everything taken care of. Make sure you have your financial house in order. Man, I looked up and I'm broke ordering parts. When you try to have one call complete and you get the symptoms from the customer and you ordering so many parts and you like, okay, it's possibly this, and this. You got 3 things. Then you gotta think, control boards. You gotta think sub pumps and motors. You gotta think those things cost, quite a bit of money. And you look up and you spend $3,000 to $4,000 on parts. You'll have thousands of dollars of parts. I just took back damn near $700 worth of parts yesterday, and that was light. Really wasn't, but probably 6 parts. So you really have to be mindful of how you've been. Shit, I don't even know how to tell you, boy, because I looked up and it scared me yesterday. I'm like, man, where my bread at? And then I'm headed out of town to the new market. It's scary sometimes, but you gotta face fear and push forward. When them checks be late and all that, all that work you done, and you like, man, where that re-up money at? Wait a minute, the re-up money laid down. You done spent all this, man. Back of the truck, all for it. Even the bed, there's a big long box in the bed hanging. I'm trying to get out of Texas to get away from the rain. And it's crazy. I'm so tired. Like, I ain't even had time to get a haircut. Man, I just prayed the Bible for my son to get a haircut. And just keep going, man. I hadn't had a haircut. I'm looking at hella bummy. But what do? The calls keep coming. When you scared to close out calls, you like, damn, boy, I sure hope they don't send me no calls. I was on one call yesterday and I got 4 new calls, like 4 new work orders. Like, you take one, you get 2. When you knock down one, you get 2. It's scary. Boy, I remember I used to be so hype in these videos. I was popping videos out left and right. Man, I'm so tired. I'm running around like 4 hours of sleep. It's just crazy, man. It really is crazy. I took a day off from the regular job to run calls, and I still didn't finish till 9 last night. Oh, man. I pulled back home at 9 p.m. I left the house at 6. And that's some travel time off in there, but that's crazy. I won't be home tonight at all. And when I get up to go back to Texas, I got several calls tomorrow, so I probably won't make it home before 6, 7 tomorrow night. Man, you gotta be careful what you ask for, though. You gotta be careful. This is a never-ending cycle of appliances that need to be repaired, man. But it's a beautiful thing. Look at that. Man, I got a new work order right now as I'm making this video. It's crazy. It's crazy. Let's see what this is. Oh, man. So this is where I'm going. Well, we're gonna see about getting that diagnosed before we, go back to our regular market. I'm already here. So I'm might as well check it out. Man, I don't know what to tell you, man. This thing right here will drain you. Just don't let it stress you. It don't stress me, but I am tired. I ain't gonna lie to you that, boy. I am tired. Oh man, I'm tired. Yeah, I'll make another video about that. Yeah, man. This S&W service center, man.